Happy HomePod Day, is that a thing?
I think so.
Okay, so here's the deal. It's Saturday. We were not planning on filming a video today, and then we've been hit up by everybody. We just published our What's Inside Dinosaur Poop, which I think was a really fun video. And everybody's like, go open the HomePod, what's inside of it? So Lincoln and I just went, and we bought these 3 right here.
Oh, yeah.
So we're gonna destroy one, take it apart, see what's inside. This thing is supposed to have 7 microphones and 8 speakers in it, along with the giant subwoofer. So it will be interesting to see what's inside of it. I know there's been a ton of videos that are about the HomePod, but I don't think any of them yet show like really what's inside of it. So the other thing I think we need to do is one of these we should give away to you guys. So if you want one of these HomePods, look in the description. We're gonna make this a short giveaway, just like 5 days. So yeah, HomePod Day. This is gonna be a. Oh, you're getting it out. Lincoln's getting it out right now.
Yeah.
It is pretty.
Oh, it's heavy. Oh, that's heavy.
Is it?
Yeah.
So this is your HomePod here. See the bottom of it has the Apple logo on it. All around the speaker, it's just one giant comfortable speaker type feeling.
It's squishy.
It is squishy. Let's see how the music sounds.
Nothing feels like home. It's loud. Sounds good.
Hey Siri, pause music.
Oh, surprising it can hear you.
Yeah, it can still hear me. What do I think about this speaker? It's louder than a lot of the smaller speakers that we've tested out before. Hey Siri, should we cut open this Google HomePod? Google HomePod. Should we cut open this Apple HomePod?
I'm not sure what to say.
Hey Siri, does this act scare you? Can you hear me?
You're coming through loud and clear.
That's good.
Go ahead.
Hey Siri,
That's good.
are you scared of this pickaxe? Whenever you ask her if she's scared of something, she doesn't respond.
Hey Siri, what are you scared of?
I'm afraid I can't answer that.
I'm not sure how you're supposed to get into this thing because if you look at it,
There's no screws. There's no way to open it.
right. Okay, so here is the plan. I think the first thing that we need to do is skin this pod. Skin it.
Skin it. Go ahead.
Let's
skin
just
it.
cut all this stuff off.
Okay.
Oh. It cuts in it pretty easily.
Whoa.
Wow. Let's cut around the edges.
And we made it.
All right, we've made it all the way around the circle. Let's see if I cut it all the way though. I may have missed some spots. All right, so we got the outer layer of this mesh. It's this mesh that's pretty thick. Feel that?
Yeah.
It feels like a sock.
Yeah.
This black material right here. We have HomePod that is just plastic pod currently.
Yeah.
With this part on the outside.
Whoa.
It just comes right out. Yeah, it's just underneath there. There's just this little seal that goes around. The question is, does this still work without this mesh and this sock?
What? I didn't know it. Whoa, look here!
This still works, and we can see a speaker underneath here. Like when we turn on the music, you can see what looks like a subwoofer is just bouncing like a bigger speaker up top.
Yeah.
I thought that because it's heavier on the bottom, feels heavier on the bottom, that maybe the magnet would be on the bottom, and the speaker would be down that way, maybe pushing down, but it looks like the biggest speaker has got to be on the top, so I don't know.
Sorry,
Oh.
I'm unable to do that.
Siri, hey Siri, pause the music. This thing is pretty tough built. I have this hatchet here, and that could help us just kind of crack it open a little bit.
Made some scratch marks.
You know, when they put these things together, there's got to be a way to get in.
Yeah.
Just don't see where that way would be. Dremel.
Uh-huh.
Do you like Dremels?
I can't get the answer to that on HomePod.
We're in the HomePod. There's a giant speaker. There's one side over here that has the ribbon that goes down to be able to talk to it. So the thing that I like about this is the top of it is really the subwoofer, the main speaker. It takes up the entire space. All of the treble and the other noises come out of the bottom. Now this is supposed to be an adapted speaker, so it listens to your room and sends out, whether you're sitting over on that side of the room or that side of the room, you should hear it the same. It listens to the wall and changes based off of it. But for being such a small, compact thing, the subwoofer is a pretty good size. Check it out when it moves to the bass. Whoa! Look at that thing! That's really strong when you touch it!
Yeah! That's so weird.
Oh, poor Siri. I'm sorry. I'm not really that sorry. Very impressive brains up here at the top where it shows everything that's inside of that case. And then it also has some sort of sensor that when you tap it, it starts playing the music. So what I think I want to do now is just take the Dremel and cut clear across the middle. See if we can open it up. It's about a 1/2 inch thick of plastic. So, but I'm still gonna try to cut around here and see if we can actually get in with the Dremel. Oh, did we finally kill it?
Hey Siri.
Hey Siri. Hey Siri, play music.
Yeah.
Hey Siri, are you alive?
Nope.
Apparently Siri cannot handle a Dremel across her belly.
Your hands.
My hands are dirty. My hands are black right now.
Your watch too.
Oh!
Batteries!
We did it! Holy smokes, that is cool.
Chipboard.
That is so cool.
There's
Are you kidding me?
There's like copper wires right there. Then there's speaker. I bet that's a speaker.
Well, that's the bottom of the speaker. So you've got the speaker up top. Now that Siri's not working, let's just finish the job up here. Oh, it's just unplugged. We've effectively cut this in half. I mean, check that out. This entire top half is just the speaker, and then of course on top, the chip that talks to Siri.
That's the entire top half. That probably makes it one of the main reasons why it's so heavy.
Feel it.
Yeah, that's like.
That's it. This is super light. It's supposed to have 7 sensors and 8 speakers. But down here, you have these little batteries. All the screws are out. That's a lot of screws.
What? And nothing fell out.
Okay, so we opened this up.
What did we do?
This is the power line that comes in.
I see it.
It comes into the front, it grabs this, and it goes up to this middle part.
Oh, whoa. Those are all the little speakers.
So these must be the speakers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you've got, yeah, that's either the speakers or the sensors. I just want to see the tweeters.
The
tweeters? Is that what you call it?
I want the tweeters.
And I think that they're inside of there. The power cable actually comes out quite easily. I didn't break it. I just pulled it out, and you can see it just has 2 little notches on it. Get out of the way. This is it.
Get out the way. Get out the way.
Yeah! I smashed it open, we got a hole in it, and now I've got another one of these guys. It's just like these little pods. There's pods within the HomePods. I don't know why they make these little, what do they call them? Treble pods, treble speakers. So hard to get into. There's just these little guys right here, but I did break one of them. You can see the little speaker. It is small.
Wow, that is a really small speaker.
Got some oil on me from it. Okay, so here's another one that we broke open. And if you just look, inside of there is the little speaker. And then it just has the tiniest hole at the bottom where all the treble can come out of. 7 of these little speakers, 1 of these giant speakers, the top where Siri talks to you and you can tap and do all that stuff.
Then all of this cool technology right here that I don't know a clue how it works.
With somewhere in here, and I'm guessing it's on this board, they did say that there are 7 sound sensors where they're listening to the sound and then changing how much noise goes out and where the sound goes out of. I think that's probably something for more of a technical person like Jerry Rig Everything. When he takes it apart, maybe he can explain where the sensors are. Is it this giant thing with the batteries in there with this? Because what in the world is this? Is this speaker actually a magnet? There are some screws that we took out. Let's see if we can find any of them.
Oh, here's one.
There they all are, stuck on there. All those screws.
Those are mine. I will take
Now Lincoln's
them.
taking them from this.
This was awesome. Thank you for all of your suggestions to cut open a HomePod. If you would like to have this HomePod, the instructions are down below of how to win this.
We're not going to give you this broken one. We'll keep this one. We'll give you a full functioning one. You'll have to have an Apple phone. So don't enter if you don't have an Apple phone.
Don't enter.
Just don't do it.
Don't do
Unless
it.
you just want to resell it on eBay. Then go ahead and enter. And we won't open this.
You can go resell it, or you can have an Apple phone. Don't be like Zach. Don't.